Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I will be transforming this beautiful client bride of mine to a more beautiful Nigerian Urobo bride. It's a traditional marriage. This video is a detailed step-by-step makeup and gele transformation. Let's get right in, guys. Hey lovelies, welcome back. My name is Mamus Ate, a bridal makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Warri, Delta State, Nigeria. In my previous video, I uploaded the skin prep foundation of this bridal makeup. Everything you do as Christians, you need God as the foundation of your business and in anything. And then as a bride and we as a makeup artist, the foundation of our makeup, our long-lasting makeup, the effect that you see, what you love about our makeup, the foundation of that makeup starts from the skin prep, what you use, the skin type, and then find the skin type, and then knowing if it's a sweaty bride or a oily bride. These are the foundation of every successful bridal makeup, not just the makeup you are seeing. So when they say the foundation of a makeup, is not just the foundation that was applied. No, it's about the roots, what is keeping and what is holding, what is sustaining that foundation that is making that makeup to be long lasting. Guys, if you want to see these roots of this beautiful skin work, then go check out my previous video. As you can see, I mixed 3 shades of foundation together, which is the Hudah Beauty, the Makeup Forever 24 Hours, and the L'Oreal True Mash. Check out the blend. See how it is just glowing and we are not yet done. See how this foundation just retain a melanin dark skin. See guys, it's been a long time. I can't even remember when last I used just 1 shade of foundation. It's not my thing. If you are an OG in this channel, you know. If you know, you know. We never use 1 foundation for this channel. We dey mix 2 to 3 foundation shade because it is very difficult to just see 1 exact shade as your foundation color. It is rare, and me, I believe in mixing to get your perfect undertone, to get your perfect shade. Okay, when I'm done with this foundation blending, I just go in with my beauty blender, and this is my all-time favorite beauty blender, which is the glam cosmetics. This beauty blender is not just soft, it bounces on the skin. Is everything you need for a flawless makeup. For bridal, I usually spray the beauty blender using a setting spray. Yes, because I need all of the ingredients in the setting spray to sink into the skin for a long lasting glowing effect. So when it comes to my beauty blender for bridal, I don't wet it with water. I just spray my fixing spray on it. Okay, 1 quick easy tip for concealer application when it comes to bridal, because brides are always in a haste and there's no time to waste. Before I start all of the foundation and the concealer process, I make sure that I have scooped out a bit of my concealer on the palette. I've also scooped out a bit of my blush on the palette. And the concealer shade here is 2 shades brighter but warm tones. Okay, and then I just use my brush to first of all place the concealer on the areas where I want it to be. Here comes the power of highlight and contour. See, the truth is that whether you like it or not, whether you say plenty, no plenty, no plenty, no plenty, oh, the power of highlight and contour bring proper structure to your face and blush placement. Guys, can you see every areas that was highlighted, contoured, and blushed? How did you find the structure it gives to one face? When you apply your foundation and you do not do highlight and contour, the face just look bare. I'm telling you, it look like I beg, it's just there. But you see the power of highlight and contour. Even you go fear your face will shock you if I give you a mirror, because it brings proper structure to your face and to your face shape. Okay, truth is that makeup is an act. While you are there wondering, is this not too much? Why all these plenty colors on one's face? Why all these plenty things? Makeup too plenty. You are going to see how this is going to vanish into our skin. And this is also Aside calling this highlights and contouring in makeup, this is also layering of makeup products. You cannot just do a bridal makeup like your everyday regular makeup. Some of you will be wondering, doesn't she have brides? But bridal makeup are usually very detailed. And these are the reasons why they are detailed, and they can take more time because you need to understand the structure of the face, the placement of every product, because it's going to be a long day for the bride and you don't want a makeup looking bare. So this is also known as a layering of your makeup products. You can't just apply just one layer. Always remember this: when using a beauty blender, you just want to dab it gently on the skin so that it doesn't drag off or pull off any makeup products you've applied on the skin. Next is setting powder. Did you see how all of this product just melts into the skin? I told you I got you. And see, it's still looking skin on skin. Dark skin transformation. Man, this bride love every single bit of her glam. Even I do love it, and I know you watching it also love it. One long-lasting tip for bridal makeup is you using a setting powder that is their skin shade to just apply on the entire face. So that is also going to help you to keep the face mattified. And the product I'm using right here is Rmca Cosmetics setting powder in the shade Nutmeg. Applied this particular shade Nutmeg in the entire areas of her face that are not even highlighted, and then on the highlighted areas I mix the shade Cinnamon and Rmca. I can't do without brush and I can't do without beauty blender. As you can see, when I'm done using a beauty blender, I go back using a powder brush to just, tap the face gently, gently. Everything will marinate, marry, enter, settle down, enter the skin. Time for contouring and snatching those nose, and I went in with a MAC Cosmetics powder. One secret to achieving a very beautiful flawless skin base is blending. Never you stop blending. And as you can see in this bridal makeup, I try to use more of my beauty sponge. Okay, even though I have to fast forward this video, I don't want it to be too long. I used more of my beauty sponge because that does not leave any line, any bristles on the face, unlike brushes. As good as brushes, sometimes they also create problems for you. So just master what works for you. This really works well for me. Truth is that I can use beauty blender from start to finish in any makeup. I might need brush for just the eyebrows because I usually sculpt the brows using a brow gel, so I obviously need an angle brush. But aside that, trust me when I say beauty blender can actually do all the magic that you need. And then I went in with my reverse contour using the cinnamon mixed with Rmca powder because it's a translucent and a mattifying powder too. It's very good, have a nice texture. And then I just made sure that I pay more attention to details, and then I went in with blush. If you look at this dark skin beauty, I did more of a bronzy look. Okay, it's just looking, you're seeing that this is a brown skin babe, dark skin bride, as in color is on point with, despite all the colors and everything placed on the face. Her shoulder and neckline is still looking the same, as in the same, not color riots. Then you do really raise for the face. No, we don't do that over here. Not in this Mama's Arte YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm just adding some blush, which is a pop of color, to her face, and she was just loving it. Every person in the room, including her friends, were giving all forms of beautiful compliments, and she could not wait to see the end look of this amazing look I was actually creating on her. And then it was time for the eyeshadow. I applied my eyeshadow primer. It's very important you apply your eye base, which is your eyeshadow primer. And then from there I went in using my Cover Skin Gear bronzer to just create the crease. Okay, and then it's also very important that you blend your eyeshadow primer properly before moving to any other stage. This is a must, in fact a must do. Okay, and then I went in with my brow tamer to just keep those brows in place, to properly tame the brows using the spoolie brush. I just applied it, you brush and go up, brush and come down, just like that. I know you know what I mean. And then I placed this razor blade at the outer corner of her eyes using my glam cosmetics beauty eyeshadow brush, and I went in with my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and that's it. The video moving on is self-explanatory. Just watch carefully, guys. I'll zoom in some of this video. Just watch carefully. Thanks for watching till now. Thanks for watching up till now. I appreciate every of your efforts in watching my videos. Thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe to my Musate YouTube channel, okay? And as for eyeshadow, I've always said it and I will keep saying it. The best way to apply your eyeshadow is to make sure that you properly blend your eyeshadow primer, and then when using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, make sure you dab that product on the eyelid. You dab it, you place it first, and then at this point I went in using my hand. See, my hand, my index finger is one of the best eyeshadow brush I've ever used. This my hand, oh, I love it because it just does the magic for me. Sometimes when brush is not giving me what I want, I just go in with my index finger and just place it there, place all of the product, and then I later went in back to the brush, and then I was just blending. This video I know so I go here and then like 20 times. No verse, voiceover, not the easy to do, not the easy. So, and then I'm still blending the eyeshadow. English na your mate, abeg. And then English no be my mate too. And then okay, and then I went in with a black gel liner, and then I applied the mascara, and then when I was done using a gel liner on the water liner of her eyes, I used the excesses remaining on the brush to just outline her brows. And another tip again for dark skinned bride or client, I like to also use my gel liner because it makes the brow to pop. I don't understand the faded brows I see. This one I like that. So I just create little feather strokes of hair. I just fill in the brows, and then it was time to highlight. The concealer that I use for highlight and contour is the concealer I'm going to be using on the brow bone just to make it pop. As you can see, the other side of the brow where I have not applied any concealer is not bad. You can as well leave your brows like that. I have to zoom in close. The other side is not bad, okay? It's just that I love to highlight under the brows, and then the excesses on the brush I further went to also define the under the eyeliner to give her face a proper lift, okay? Because this is not your regular one, but this is a bride, she needs to be the center of attention and attraction for the day. So I'm just trying to uplift her face. You can see the difference of what I'm doing now. And then I went in with my lavender powder palette to just apply that yellow warm tone on the brow bone. Okay, so that's that, guys. I hope you understand this video, and I hope you are enjoying. And then, as the saying goes, blend using this lavender powder palette.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want.
And this setting spray is the all-nighter. This is one of my all-time favorite setting spray, and it's not that expensive. It's around 20k, 18 to 20k presently. As at when I got it, it was 12,000, and then I got an extra, a spare. With the current inflation in the world, I've learned to always buy things in bulk, so it helped me save some extra cash. Bride could not wait to see the mirror. When she finally did, she was so happy, with a beautiful smile and compliments that came along with it. And now it's time for the Gele guy to do his thing. His name is Kelvin Gele. You know, guys always know how to tie Gele. I don't know. In fact, there was a time Gele was my thing, but see, over 3 years, I just give up on Gele. It's easier for me when somebody else is doing it, and this guy did a thing with this Gele. It was so fast. Within few minutes the bride was ready, like ready, you know. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video, and I love everything about this bridal look. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment down below your thoughts. Let me know if you want to see more bridal videos like this. She was indeed a very calm bride and very stress-free bride, and I wish you all the best in your home. May the Lord bless your union. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys. Mwah.